Ever wanted to create something unique and fun? Let's make some DIY wooden bookmarks. Today, we're making wooden bookmarks that are super easy and fun. Isn't this exciting? First, grab a thin slice of wood about the size of a regular bookmark. Ready to get started? You can find these at any craft store or use leftover wood. How convenient is that? Now put on your safety goggles and carefully sand the edges until they're smooth. Safety first. Next, let's add some personality. This is where the fun begins. Paint your wood slice with your favorite colors. Isn't this fun? You can go for a solid color, stripes, or tiny designs like flowers and stars. Let your creativity shine. While your paint is drying, think about adding a tassel or ribbon at the top for extra flair. How cool is that? Drill a small hole at the top, loop your ribbon through, and tie it securely. Almost there. Once dry, give your bookmark a final touch with clear varnish to protect your artwork. Perfect! And there you have it, a charming, personalized wooden bookmark. Isn't it amazing? Whether it's for yourself or as a gift, these bookmarks are sure to bring a smile. Happy crafting!